Hey, so today I want to have an open and honest discussion about saving and investing. We're going to cover the key differences between the two and why we should be engaged in both to put ourselves in the best position financially. My name is Josh, and I make videos on investing, personal finance, online business, and entrepreneurship. I'm huge on transparency, and I want to be straightforward here. I don't know everything, but I do have my own personal experiences and research to help lay this out for you. Everyone has a reason to save money. Maybe you're looking to buy a car, a house, a pet, or perhaps you're looking to save for your future. Either way, saving money allows us to have it when we need it. Keeping your money in the bank provides liquidity. You can withdraw at any time. Investing, on the other hand, is typically for the long term. You put your money into investment vehicles with the expectation of gaining returns in the future. Now, it's essential to understand the different investment vehicles and how to use them to be successful. There are many vehicles to choose from, but in this video, I'll be using the S&P 500 index fund as my vehicle to help illustrate your potential with investing. In case you don't know, the S&P 500 is a stock market index that measures 500 large companies' stock performance in the United States. Let's give an example on how investing can dramatically increase your returns rather than only saving money in a bank account. So I have two friends. We have Alex and Jake. They are both 25 years old and want to retire at 60. They both make $50,000 per year, and Alex, he only wants to invest 25% of his income. And Jake, on the other hand, he only wants to save 25% of his income. So, okay, Alex, he wants to invest 25%, and Jake wants to save 25%. So, investor, saver. Maybe you find yourselves being as an investor or a saver. That's just how we're going to do it in this example. Okay, so Alex, he decides he's going to invest in an S&P 500 index fund that has the average return of 7% per year. Okay. And Jake, remember, he is just saving his money. He's not investing or anything. He's just saving it. Okay. After 35 years, Alex ends up with well over $1 million for retirement, while Jake, he ends up with only $350,000. Now, don't get me wrong, $350,000 is good, but man, investing, that really shows the power of investing. And using this example, we can see that time is your best friend when it comes to investing long term. Now, of course, saving and investing come hand in hand because you can't invest if you don't have any money saved. You also need to have an income to be able to save. And I'm going to be honest here, I used to have a lot of trouble with saving. I used to just spend whatever I got. When money came in my bank account, I would just be like, let's go. Like, I can go out for the weekend. I can go buy a new, whatever it was, the new iPhone, the new thing. I'll go on Amazon, just like order everything. But that is really not the best way to go. I really had to start considering, the value of my money, right? Where do I want to put my money? And you have to get serious. You have to literally just go dollar by dollar, what's coming in, what's going out in order to get serious with your finance. And that's really how I saved $30,000 in 6 months. So I have a whole video actually talking about that. If you're interested, go ahead and check that out. So the most significant key difference between saving and investing is the risk involved. You save when you put your money in a savings account, which has little risk, but also minimal gains, right? And when you invest, you have potential for high returns, but also the potential for loss. So it's important to review your goals to determine what approach is best for your situation. Either way, do not wait to start saving or investing. Time, remember, is your best friend when it comes to growing your money and meeting your goals. Personally, as I said before, I saved up to 6 months worth of expenses. And I've been investing weekly because I believe that is what I need to do in order to reach my financial goals. If you're interested in getting started with investing, there are many, many ways to go about it, but an easy way to get started is by downloading the Robinhood app. I actually have a link in the description below, along with a video explaining how you can get started. And there are 3 main takeaways that I want you to remember from this video. So saving money, this is the first one. Saving money allows us to have it when we need it most. Many financial gurus recommend having 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. That's what I do. And that way you are ready for any unexpected emergency or situation that gets thrown your way. Let's face it, there's always going to be something that happens, whether your car breaks down, whether you have a huge pandemic in the whole world or whatever, and maybe, you could lose your job. A lot of people lost their jobs over this pandemic. So you want to be prepared for the worst. And number 2, the second takeaway is investing long-term presents the opportunity for exponential growth. Again, there are many investment vehicles to choose from. Here are a few. High yield savings accounts, CDs, money market accounts, the S&P 500 index funds, dividend stock funds, and real estate. Do your research, do lots and lots and lots of research and make a decision that works best for you. And the third takeaway that I want you to get from this video is that risk is the most influential factor when determining whether to save or invest. Personally, I think everyone should be engaged in both saving and investing to secure our financial futures. It's up to you to determine, what percentage of your income you want to save versus invest. I've been investing probably more than most people. I feel like I've been investing, closer to 25-30% of my income, while other people may only want to invest 15%, 10%, maybe less. So it really depends on your situation. But I hope this was helpful. Make sure you drop a like if you received any value from this video. Drop a comment if you have any questions or thoughts. And I'll do my best to get back to everyone. And thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Peace.